welcome back to one of my vlogs. I've got a confession to make. I am in a little bit of a state with the Christmas rush happening and a few other things. I have been letting things get on top of me and my workspaces have gotten very messy. And like normally I kind of tidy things up in January, I just sort of ignore it while things are busy in the store. But we are having a new embroidery machine delivered tomorrow. We're getting the HCU 2, so I'm very excited about that. But obviously panic on now because everything is a mess and I'm not really prepared to receive it. So I did have it in my mind that one day in the future, because I've purchased a new PC setup and I've got a few new gadgets and gizmos, I was going to do like a really calm, really relaxing, kind of tidy my cozy workspace with me sort of video. However, it's not gone that way because now we're rushing like crazy. So I've made a list of things I need to do. Don't know if you can see that on my quirky goose note paper, which is for sale in my store. Things we need to do are tidy the workroom, move Matilda back upstairs. She's only just gone downstairs, but now she's coming back upstairs because there's no room for her down there. Put up the Xmas decorations and put up a shelf. I think I'm being very optimistic about the shelf, but hopefully everything else will be done. And yeah, let's machine prep. Let's get ready for the new metal baby to arrive. Also, while I remember, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone because overnight we reached 10,000 subscribers and that was a milestone I had hoped to have hit by the new year. So the fact that we've hit it before we've even got into December, I'm absolutely thrilled. So thank you very much for your support and I hope you continue to enjoy my channel and find that the videos I put out are helpful. Don't worry, these aren't mugs that I sell to people, these are all for samples mainly. A while ago we bought like basically a bunch of cheap mugs and because they were cheap the sublimation quality on them wasn't that great, but they're good for like testing things out. The other reason reason I'm tidying today is obviously because we're moving that machine from downstairs from upstairs. If it was just me and Jordan doing it, it wouldn't be as much of a big deal, but because the machine's quite heavy, my parents are coming over to help us out, and I know that if they saw the state my house is in, I'm gonna have one hell of a telling off. So that's why we're tidying. We also, at the start of the year, built these massive inbuilt wardrobes for storage. They're so huge they don't even fit in the shot, so there they are in all of their overwhelming glory. I don't know why I thought dark blue was a good idea. We're going to put a mirror there. We're trying to find a mirror thin enough, but inside these wardrobes we're using them for storing stock at the minute. So I got all my denim jackets in there, and in this one there are hoodies, but it is a little bit of a mess at the minute. Everything's a mess. I want to cry, so at some point I'm going to tidy this. Not today, but someday. The room looks like chaos, but I think it's about to become organised chaos. That is my favourite phrase, so let's crack on. This I really am excited to try out, because I think it might be great for like freehand drawing stitches. So I'm going to try it out in Hatch, and I'm going to try it out in Embroidery, see which one it works better in. So if you are interested in like more artistic kind of embroidery, please consider subscribing to my channel, and then you should get a notification when that video comes out. So tidying up the workroom is done. Moving Matilda upstairs is done. After some careful consideration, we decided that putting up the shelf might not be the way to go. I think we're going to build something more like purpose built in the future, rather than just sticking up a shelf. We're going to have something where we can take the sawgrass printer and the Brother scan and cut off the desk and like store it neatly against the wall to give more desk space. So that's been taken off. Last thing left to do is to put up the Christmas tree.